Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today, I got me a brand new Casekoo case. This one is brand new to the market. Casekoo sent me this actually. They asked me to take a look at it. This one right here is for my iPhone 14 Pro Max that I just got in. There's something special about this case. I want to show it to you. Let's open it up and take a look here. Oh, look. Casekoo comes with a polishing cloth now. Wow, okay. And a bunch of little stickers. Look at this. This is so cool. That is cool that they did that. That's nice. Look at this. 2 packs of stickers. Most case maker out there just literally just give you the case. That's it. You'll be glad that, you know, there's a little cover around it. That's cool that they did that. All right. So this case right here. Look at this thing. This is the evolution of Magsafe case right here, guys. I've done a lot of Magsafe cases, okay? A lot of Magsafe cases. And Casekoo have literally reinvented themselves with this thing right here. So first off, you can see that this is a Magsafe case, but at the same time, it has a kickstand on it. Yeah, that turns into a kickstand. That hinge right there, nice and snappy. Look at that. Beautiful. This is one of the best implementation of a kickstand that I have seen so far. I wonder if it really charges. So back here, I'm trying to feel if it's just like a little sticker for the magnet, but it's not. It's kind of built into the case. How thick is this case right here? It's not that thick. It's the same, I mean, the same size as some of the other cases that I have. Okay. So like I said, this is an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Obviously, you can get this in like iPhone 14 Pro, 14, that kind of stuff. But right there, it's there's literally no kickstand right here at all, guys. Look at this. Plush right into the case. That's amazing. That is amazing that they're able to use that entire depth right there to build in the kickstand and the Magsafe. All right, so I think the moment of truth here is that you want to know if this thing right here will work with actual Magsafe, like will it charge? All right. Okay, I do have a Magsafe charger right here. First off, actually, let's take a look at this real quick. Okay, that magnet is pretty strong. That magnet is pretty strong. Yeah, that is the magnet is pretty strong right there. Wow, that is amazing. Okay, next off, does it charge? It does charge. Look at that. Yep, it does charge. Oh, wow. How did they do this with being able to do a kickstand and it charges through this thick kickstand? This is like pretty thick kickstand here, okay? This is not a flimsy one at all. And they're able to charge right through it. That is amazing. That's amazing, the tech that's on this thing. Logos and things like that. Right here, you got yourself Casekoo. And then obviously the CK right here. Everything else is pretty much standard Casekoo quality right here. Little air bubbles on the side right here so that you can actually protect your phone when you do drop it, because usually that, you know, it drops on the corner. Really nice big port for the lightning port down there, because obviously some third-party cords will the ends will be a little bit bigger. So it's nice there. And then if you're interested, you know, there's still a little lanyard port right here if you want those. I've never used it, but nice to have it there. This thing is pretty strong, guys. It goes all the way down to about this right here. So you can stand it like this or like this. Amazing. And there you have it. That's the brand new Casekoo case with a kickstand built into the Magsafe charger. Awesome stuff. As you can see right there, it does charge right through the ring. That's amazing to me. And you can see it's pretty strong. I mean, the magnet. I don't know how they ever do that. That's amazing stuff. Anyway, that's it for me, guys. I'm out of here. Have a good one. Bye-bye.